Welcome, fellow knowledge seekers. Today, we are pitting two AI heavyweights against each other. DeepSeek, the underdog with a PhD in Hold My Data, and Deep Research, OpenAI's brainy cousin who probably drinks Kyle smoothies. So let's see who wins in this Ctrl-C versus Ctrl-V championship. When it comes to speed, DeepSeek is faster than a caffeinated squirrel, while Deep Research thinks like a philosopher on a yoga retreat. So who's the winner? DeepSeek, definitely. Moving on to accuracy, DeepSeek is as sharp as a ninja's katana, while Deep Research is precise, but sometimes overthinks like your ex. So who's the winner? It's obvious it's a tie because they are both smarty pants. Moving on to costs, DeepSeek is often free and budget friendly, while Deep Research might ask for your firstborn in dollars. So in other words, DeepSeek is the winner. Moving on, when it comes to ease of use, DeepSeek is simpler than IKEA instructions, while Deep Research needs a manual thicker than the War and Peace book. So, who's the winner? DeepSeek, duh. Moving on to coolness factor. Listen to the name, DeepSeek. Doesn't it sound like a secret spy too? So it has a cool factor. While Deep Research sounds like a Harvard professor's side hustle. So who's the winner? DeepSeek. Spy is greater than nerd. Moving on to bests. What is it best for? DeepSeek is best for quick answers, coding help, and fun chats. While Deep Research is best for deep dives, academic research, and making you feel dumb. So, who's the winner? Well, it depends on how you want to feel. So, which one should you choose? It's a very, very important question. Well, my answer is this. Pick DeepSeek if you want fast, free, and funny answers, like a Google search on energy drinks. Or you're a hacker, a student, or a meme lord who values speed over essential debates. Now you can pick Deep Research if you love footnotes and want OpenAI's I analyzed every paper ever energy. And you can pick Deep Research if you're okay with waiting and paying for answers that sounds like a TED talk. What's my final verdict? DeepSeek. DeepSeek is a flash of AI that is fast, friendly, and doesn't charge you for small talk. While Deep Research is Sherlock Holmes. Brilliant, but you'll need patience and maybe a loan. So choose DeepSeek if you're lazy like me. Choose Deep Research if you're writing a thesis or just pretending to. Now go forth, my digital warriors. May your searches be deep, but may your bills be shallow. P.S. If this comparison didn't help, just flip a coin. Heads for DeepSeek and tails for regret. Bye for now.